Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, I'm back on the ST. If you remember last time we put the wide arch kit on it and I got it, so I started blending one arch. Well, now we've got both back arches blended. Well, blended as in joined, so there's no join there whatsoever anymore. That's now complete one arch, it's got all the shape to it and the rest of it. Same with the other side. These are both in, like, I suppose black primer is what is the easy way. It's like a sealer that I put on top afterwards. And yeah, the front ones are ready to go. I've now cut out a little opening there and stuff, but we'll have a talk about that once we get it done, the rest of it. Front bumper's all rubbed down, ready to be painted as well, because it's easier to do that, and the front bumper had loads and loads of stone chips on it. Going to paint complete wings and side skirts. So all the kit is pretty nice, the rest of it, and I reckon, same as what I did with the Saab, I reckon that I can polish the doors, the rest of it, and you're not going to notice. I did try a little bit, and it seems to be about right. So, yeah. But, something's happened with the ST recently, and it's one of those ones, there's been a little bit of a change of plan and stuff with it, but we'll have more of a chat of that later on in the video and stuff. So for now, I've got some base coat mixed up in the gun, so let me go and lay down a couple of coats of base, and yeah, we'll go from there. Well, that's coat one, guys. Just let that now flash off before we give it its second coat, and then we can chuck some lacquer on, I guess. So yeah, I'm going to, as I said, let that one flash off. I'll be back in a minute. Sorry about extraction and stuff, but now time, let's chuck some lacquer on it. So once again, I start at the back, work my way towards the extraction, so then whatever overspray goes anywhere, you're laying over the top so it doesn't leave a dry edge or a bit any roughness. So yeah, let me get going.
Start it up. lit.
Yeah guys, back together. Well, I say back together. It's all back together apart from the number plate and stuff. Need a good polish and stuff like that. Not the panels I just done, the rest of it. Because the panel I've just done, I literally like glass. So they all come up absolutely mint. There's the front ones with the front wings done, which I think looks really, really nice now. It's all black. And rear wings, and you can't even see where I've joined it in any way whatsoever. So they fit absolutely mint. Can't wait to give this thing a good polish and get it coming up all shiny all over and stuff, but we can't do that yet. We need to leave it a little bit of time first before I can do that. So yeah, and there's that wing as well, and front bumper. So yeah, she's looking pretty sweet now, I do have to say. And yeah, quite happy how that was come out. So yeah, suppose it's time for me to actually talk about what I did mention earlier, as in change of route, plan, or yeah, well, something along those lines anyway. What it basically boils down to is, if you notice, I went to a show the other day, and I'm booked into quite a lot of more shows and stuff with the T4 and stuff. And to be completely honest with you, I've really got my love back for VW stuff and things like that. It's a place I want to be, and I really enjoy my T4 life and the rest of it. Excuse me. And yeah, the atmosphere when you do T4 shows and stuff, it's lovely. I absolutely love being part of the T4 community again, and building a name for myself back at T4 community. Sorry, I just realised what I said. I mean VW community, and I really enjoy trying to make a name for myself, and hopefully I'm starting to do that, because it's getting there and stuff. And when you actually see the proper release for the T4, you'll fully understand what I mean by it. It won't be long. I just got to bear my time, and eventually I can show you the reason behind why I'm being so secretive about it. And you'll understand. You will understand, and you'll understand why I'm the way I am with it. But it then brings me back to that little thing. It's got the wrong badge on it. It's got a Ford badge on it, and as such, I'd like falling out of love with it, to be honest with you. As we know, I did buy it for myself to be a family car as well as a toy, just to run around and stuff. Hence why I started doing the wide arch kit, the 1552s and things like that. But to be completely honest with you, I'm going to let it go and let somebody else enjoy it, because I'm not going to enjoy it as I should do the rest of it. Since I've got the T4 back on the road, I've just parked in the corner of the unit. Admittedly, it did pick up an immobiliser issue a while ago, and Mark did a bit of digging and found out that I need to resolder the backs of the clocks, which is what I did, and it's no immobiliser issue now. And I start flicking the key. What they do is dry the joints out on the back of it and start cracking around the back, which is a common problem on a Focus. But yeah, solved that one now. So yeah, it's all MOTs and the rest of it. It's not a new MOT on it. Passed with flying colours altogether. Not a single thing wrong with the thing at all. So yeah, I think it's ready for a new owner. And to be completely honest with you, I've waiting for Copart to drop me off another vehicle, which I don't know. It might actually be out. It might have been dropped off by the time this video goes out or not. I don't know. But yeah, I'm waiting for them to drop me off another vehicle which has got the right badge on it. This is another categorised vehicle as usual, because it's me. That's what I buy. But yeah, it's just one of them. Don't get me wrong, the Focus is an absolute awesome car. Bucket loads of power, it's great fun to drive. But it's just got the wrong badge on it, and I'd rather mess around with VW stuff. It's where my heart is. And unfortunately, life's too short to drive around and stuff you don't really enjoy and stuff. So this one I'm now just turning into a little flip project. That's why I spent a bit of time getting the bodywork painted. So now I've just got to machine polish it up and stuff. Give it a good clean out on the inside. And yeah, should be up for sale. It's a hard one to value, this one, because it's a Cat N, which legally I don't have to say anything to anybody, because it's a Cat N. Anything from Cat S upwards, you've got to mention it and stuff. And even on the logbook, it doesn't even mention that it's been written off or anything else. So legally I don't have to say anything, but morally I will, because it's how I am and how I am. But you look around, there's some rough ST's up for about £2.5 grand now, which I've got more in that than £2.5 grand with the bits I've done to it and the rest of it. And it's, yeah, it's with the body kit and stuff on that one and the wheels and stuff like that, I can't find another one the same. The only one I can find that's similar is up for £6,500, admittedly not categorised. So to be completely honest, I'm going to lose money at it, but I'm going to stick this one up for £3,000, and hopefully someone buys it and enjoys it as much as what I did for a while until I got bored. If it wasn't for the fact of going back to VW life, then I'll still keep it. It's literally that good. It's a really nice car to drive, and it's fun. It really is fun. It's like when I took Rick out. Rick was like literally like, I gave him like a spin on it, and all I got for Rick was that's an adrenaline rush. So it does give you an adrenaline rush with the power it's got on it and stuff. It's great fun, and the Volvo engine just pulls and pulls and pulls. It's almost like I'm trying to sell it back to myself, but it ain't gonna work because I've made my mind up and it's going. So yeah, I'm gonna let it go as it is. I've got the bonnet vents, which I was going to do in the bonnet, but I'm just going to let them go with it and let someone decide if they want to put them in it or not. The rear splitter is one that was going to take probably 4 or 5 days to get to fit, so I'm not going to bother with that. I'm just going to sell that one separately. And the front splitter was just a universal one, but I held it up the other day and I actually prefer it without, so I'm not going to bother with that either, to be honest with you. So it's just a case of now clean it up and get it up for sale and get it gone to pay for the new one that I've already bought from Copart. So there'll be more on that one once it turns up and stuff. We'll introduce that one on the channel, and we'll see what you think to that one. But for now, guys, I don't know if this is going to be the last video on this one or not, but keep an eye out on my Facebook and my Instagram and stuff like that when I put it up for sale. And if you're interested in it and it's still about, hit me up. I'm sure we can sort something out. But for all those guys that have come over wanting the Ford content and stuff like that from the ST, I apologise, but I'm not saying there's never going to be anything on it, because I do buy salvage vehicles, so there might be the odd one pop up here and there and stuff. I'm not going to keep just the VW stuff, but as I said, this one was being built for myself, and as I'm now not keeping it for myself, it's yeah, that one's not suitable for me. So hopefully, guys, you all understand the reasoning behind why that one's off and stuff. I did have some awesome plans for it, but I just can't justify spending the money on it if I'm not going to keep it, and I'm really not going to keep it. I'm just enjoying driving my Burgundy T4 around too much, and then as I said, we've got a new car coming, which it'll be a family car as well that we can use and stuff like that. So I'm probably just giving it a game away and stuff like that. Now it's got a VW badge on it, so you can probably work out the sort of thing that I've got and stuff. What the hell was that? Oh, number plate falling over. But anyway, guys, yeah. You might see another video on this one, but I don't know whether you will. You might. I might if I like video machine polish up and clean it up and stuff, but I don't know if I will or not. So if you do, then there'll be a bonus one. But if not, then this is a goodbye video for the ST. But yeah, as always, guys, if you haven't already and you're liking the content we're chucking out and the rebuilding the cars, the rest of it, please hit that subscribe button to follow us along with more stuff. If you haven't already, please hit that like button. It does go a long way to help us out. And yeah, merch available in the links down below and stuff. And until the next one, guys, hope you're all staying safe, and hopefully we'll get to enjoy a bit of summer weather soon. So stay safe, guys.